This creamy chicken carbonara is irresistibly good. It's an easy and great value weeknight meal that's full of flavour. Start by cooking the penne in a saucepan of boiling water until al dente. Drain the pasta. Meanwhile, add the oil to a frying pan over medium heat. Add chicken and cook, turning until golden and cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Add bacon to the pan and cook, stirring until golden and starting to crisp. Next, place garlic, stock, egg yolks, cream, cornflour and half the parmesan in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper and whisk to combine. Add the chicken back to the pan over low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and pasta. Cook, tossing until the pasta is coated in the sauce and the sauce thickens. To serve, sprinkle with parsley and the remaining parmesan. Thanks to a few easy steps, this creamy chicken carbonara is a total winner at dinner time.